I noticed probably around the age of 18 that my hair started to thin. I just started to have tests done and tried different pills and shampoos, and nothing really worked. Well, before I had this done to my hair, I lacked confidence. I just didn't feel good about myself. I felt like people are always looking at my hair and not looking at me for what I was saying. And then after I had this done, I just felt like a whole new person. I just had the confidence, I had respect for myself. I knew people, if they were looking at my hair, it wasn't to judge my hair, and they would actually listen to what I was saying, and I felt like a different person. I have a large staff, and when I'm at work, I'm the manager of the store, so I'm constantly walking around the store, and customers come to me with questions or concerns, and I feel better about myself as a person when handling those situations. Before, when I would go in a pool, I'd be afraid to get my hair wet because it would look so thin, and I didn't want people to look at me and think, oh, she doesn't have any hair or anything like that. Now when I go in the water, I'm fearless. It doesn't bother me to go in the water anymore because my hair can get wet and I have nothing to worry about, and that makes me feel good.